Want more power, better throttle response, and a reusable upgrade for your car? Today we're installing a high-performance DNA air filter, and let's see what it really does.
To give you best perception of this upgrade with DNA sport filter, I will place the microphone in the boot. So we will go for a ride. I just want to show you that currently we have completely stock air filter. Intake, everything is in stock form. Let me show you. Completely stock filter. I will place this back, and then to check the sound, current sound, you will see what kind of sound is after I place new air filter. It is done. That is done. Let's place the microphone in the boot. Instead, I think the best sound and most realistic will be if I put the microphone next to the passenger seat, as this is magnetic. Let's do it like that. Bird sound. This is 0.5 boost. This is 1 bar. You can hear it, but just little bit. We will see if we can improve it with the new filter. Now we will go home and place new one and see if there is a difference in the sound. Well, you saw the first drive with the stock air filter. Now it's time to place a new one and to go for another ride. Just let it also to cool down a little bit. So basically you have 4 clips for airbox cover. Just the third one, and last one is just over here, little bit hidden. Just pull, cover is off. You just push this pin inside and your filter will come out. This is OEM style with this cotton protection over. We will clean a little bit the airbox, then we will install a new filter. Here we have a new filter from DNA Performance. So you got instructions inside, and here is the filter. You can see on sun that it has less restriction than the original one, because through this one you cannot even see, but that doesn't mean that it's not filtering properly, because as you can see it has plenty layers of protection, which is oil impregnated. So that means that you don't have to place anything on it. It's pre-oiled, and here you can see how much more airflow is passing through this filter. Procedure is simple. You just push one side on this plastic cone, and then you simply push a new one in place all the way, just like this. That's it. Your filter is installed. Now it's time to put the cover back on. Just watch out for these clips, because they know to go a little bit down, and make sure that this plastic cover is in place, just like that. And the last one. Once you do that, I highly suggest you to find in box from DNA the sticker and to place it this way. If you are taking your car to the service, the mechanic who knows that you have performance filter and you tell him do the service, most likely he will not take this out, because he knows that this is filter for lifetime. That is why I highly recommend you to buy DNA filter, so you will save plenty money but also gain performance and great noise. But enough talk, let's go and let's check that noise. Okay, let's go for a test drive. Pretty much increased, including intake, but also exhaust. It's much different, and I can tell you the response is also much faster. So different. It's quite responsive. But the sound is so addictive. So now I'm gonna put microphone in the airbox. Okay, now I'm gonna put it on a side vent. The best part about this DNA filter is the last one you will ever buy. When it's get dirty, just grab the official DNA service kit. Apply the cleaner to wash away the grime, let it dry and apply a fresh coat of oil. In just few minutes, it's good as new. Maximum airflow is restored and you save money long term. Let's head over to the official DNA Filters website. They have a massive catalog of premium high-performance air filters for almost every car and motorcycle out there. Finding the exact fit for our project is super easy. I'm just going to type Smart Roadster into the search bar and it instantly brings up the drop-in replacement filter for our engine. Here you can check out all the specs like the massive airflow increase, and to get yours, just hit the buy now button at the bottom. Be sure to grab the service kit as well, so you never have to buy another filter again. The link will be also down in description. Of course, there is always not enough stickers, so I will place from DNA over here, just like that, because they sponsor this video. And the smaller one I will put, I'm not sure if they designed this sticker specifically for Smart Roadster because it fits perfectly. And yeah, that's it. This is current look of the car. Nice and shiny, looking every time much better, I would say. So all information, links, everything for DNA filters will be down in description for you. So make sure to check it, and you can mention also Smart Racer that you saw my video. Thank you. Put thumbs up, put comment down below what you think, and until next time, drive safe and see you.